Have you ever yawned just because someone else did? Even reading about yawning can make you yawn right now. But why does this happen? Yawning is contagious because of your brain's mirror neurons. These special cells activate when you watch someone else perform an action, like yawning. Your brain copies what it sees without you even realizing it. It's like an automatic empathy response. Scientists found that contagious yawning is linked to empathy. People who feel more connected to others are more likely to catch a yawn. This may help synchronize group behavior, keeping everyone alert at the same time. That's why humans do it more than most animals. So next time you yawn after seeing someone else, remember, your brain is just being social. Subscribe to discover new amazing facts every day.